Hello guys, welcome back to part 4 of this Leadpages tutorial. Now in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about the simple overview of Leadpages dashboard so that even the complete beginner can understand the features and functions of Leadpages. So let's get straight to Leadpages dashboard. Now this is the Leadpages dashboard. Now if you have not got your Leadpages account, then you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below to get your 14-day free trial. So once you sign up to the Leadpages account, now this is how the dashboard looks like, and you can see the different options and features available under Leadpages. Under the dashboard, you have the jumpstart your success and the performance for the last 30 days. You can always filter it by 60 or 90 days and see what are the views, visitors and conversions. And you can see the recently updated landing pages and also the latest leads collected through your Leadpages account. Next is you have the landing pages. So once you click on this landing pages, you have the different landing pages that you have created under your account. Now you can see some of my landing pages that I have created, and you can see the unique visitors, the conversions, the conversion rate, and you can always edit and do the necessary changes over here. Now next is you have the sites. Now sites is nothing but the website. Now if you want to create a website, then you can always use Leadpages to create a high converting website in half the time. Now it's just a drag and drop website builder, so you don't need to know some kind of coding and all those stuff. And then you also have the blogs. Now if you're a blogger, then you can also create your blogs to grow your brand with Leadpages. Next is the conversion tools. Now if you come to conversion tools, you have this pop-ups and alert bars. Now these two are important features. You can use this pop-ups to capture your audience at the peak of their interest. So you can easily add pop-ups to any lead pages or web pages or website with just a few clicks. So you can use them based on some kind of click-based triggers or time delay or exit intents. Like if someone tries to leave your website or you leave your landing pages, then you can always pop up this exit intent pop-up to capture their attention back. So you can always try to convert some percentage of these leads. And next is the alert bars. Now alert bars is something like that is going to be non-intrusive, which appears at the top of your website. You can see one of the examples like say 50% on yoga summit until May 1. Now this is going to be more useful for websites and blogs. Next is the leads. Now in this leads section, you have all the leads that are opted to your Leadpages squeeze page or opt-in page. You can see the email address, the source, the form name, and the date when they were added. Next is the brand. Now brand is nothing but if you have your own brand, colors, logos, and fonts, you can always add those over here so that you have a consistency over your different sales pages, opt-in pages, or thank you pages. Next is the images. Now, if you want to add images, you can also add images, or if you want to generate image, you can generate your image using AI, and you have this option, and you have been credited almost like 10,000 credits each month to create AI images. And next you have this upload images. You can also upload your own images. Next is the scripts. Now script is nothing but you can add JavaScript into your Leadpages account so that it can be used across different places. Now this is something similar to the Google Analytics or the Facebook Pixel, which are the tracking pixels. You can enter it over here so that it will be readily used across Leadpages account. So next is the lead magnets. Now if you're someone who doesn't have a lead magnet and you want to create a lead magnet and you don't know how to create a lead magnet, then Leadpages has the best option to create lead magnet for free. Now they have partnered with a third-party website which is called attract.io, and where you can create your own resource guides, checklist, how-to guides, case studies, and more. You can click on this attract.io. You can see over here, create irresistible lead magnets that will grow your email list fast. Now you can just enter your email and you can get free access. And when you come down over here, go from idea to done in 3 easy steps. So pick your lead magnet type, choose either as a checklist, resource guide, or case study, or how-to guide. And you can customize a proven template. You can use any one of those templates and you can share your lead magnet instantly. So this is going to be easy, and it is also coming at free. So next is the integrations. Now Leadpages is a software where you're going to build your funnel, and you have to integrate your funnel with your email autoresponders, or if you're going for a webinar funnel where you're going to send your leads to your webinar, automated webinar, then you can use these native integrations. If you're going to connect them to my email autoresponder like Aweber or Getresponse, you can integrate with them, or if you're going to send them to an automated webinar, you can click on go to webinar or webinar jam. These are webinar or softwares. And even if you want to book a call or schedule a call, you have other options like you can use Zoom or Calendly. You have other integrations. When you come down over here, you can see other integrations available over here, but these are necessarily powered through Zapier. Next is the domains. Now under the domains, you can use the domain which has been provided by Leadpages by default, or if you have your own custom domain for your business or your e-commerce website, then you can always add your domain over here and use them. Now Leadpages has a very good support, and normally they reply back within 24 hours, and you can always go for the get chat support if you want to get addressed immediately. So if you want to upgrade to the next plan, you can always click on the upgrade button and go from the standard to the pro or pro to the conversion plan. One important thing is that when you come over here, you can click on this drop down button and you can go to the account settings and see your account settings over here, and you can go and check for your billing. You can also check your users. You can also add multiple users, and that comes up around a cost of $15 per month per user. And you can also have your lead notifications sent to this email address by default. And you can also join Leadpages affiliate program, and they have recently changed your affiliate program commission structure, and which I will explain you in the later upcoming videos. Sub accounts is for something like for the agency where you have many clients using your Leadpages account, and also you're having a marketing team using different landing pages. That is all about the overview of Leadpages and its functions and features. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Next video, I'm going to discuss about how to create a landing page, which is going to be the most important part of Leadpages tutorial. So see you until then. Bye.